Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and today's series is about the transportation in Jakarta. So as you can see the map. So I will start with the map. So you can see here the map of whole network of Jakarta. So just it's a view I am giving it, but you can access this map online and can see all the details. I will start for the transportation. So you can see the for the Transjakarta is name of the transportation which has special route apart from the car and motorcycle. So they have a special route. You can see the bus used to go with this special route, and in this special route cars are not allowed. Is the pathway to go to the bus stop. So I am going to the bus stop, and actually I am nearby the Karat bus stop. So I am start with from Karat bus stop. So let's go and see how to access the bus stop and how to travel. So if you are wondering that how can I get the card or ticket to travel in Transjakarta, in Jakarta transportation, so you can see this is a machine. So this is an automatic machine. It's kind of ATM machine kind of, but it's provide the pass the card. So it's known as a flash card. So it's kind of this kind of card, but different companies have different cards. So this card is belong from BCA. So it's a flash card name as. And for the transportation in Transjakarta, we can get the card from here. So you can see that there is a price list. So 10,000, 20, 50, 100. So based on your requirement, you can pay from this part, and after paying, you will get your card from here. So basically, the first new card we can get by paying 50,000, and you can get card with balance 20,000 in the card. And as you can see, this is the card which I am using now. So after getting the card, we just need to tap over here, and then you will see that the green light is there. So I am now entering in the bus stop. So this is how I enter the bus stop. And you would be wondering that how much this cost. So the price, if I talk about the transportation price, how much people pay here. So once you enter in the Transjakarta bus stop, at the time of entrance, it will charge you 3,500 IDR. So in 3,500 IDR, you can travel in whole network of the Transjakarta in the one-time payment. So you just pay once and travel to the wherever you want to go, unless you are not getting exit from the bus stop. So if you get exit from the bus stop, then again if you are entering in the some network, you need to pay over there, right? Also they have the you can see the bus name of the bus, and the time, and some number of the bus is displayed, and all the route you can see on the screen display. As well as the screen display, they have at each gate where to board or depart from the bus, they have the board. So you can see here the route where I am standing now is Karat Sudirman. It will go to the Kota. The name is Kota. So to go Kota, I need to depart from this gate number D. So like this, there are lots of gate. So you can see gate number E, and also there is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So there are multiple gates, right? So this place from Karat, we can go multiple location. So okay, so I will take you to some different bus stop from here. So let's go and see. So you can see bus has come and it stopped, and people are departing and also arriving. So people take bus, and this route is going to Block M. So a bus to a Block M has arrived, and now I am going to take this bus and go to the one of the location. So here I come in the bus. So you can see this is the bus. So bus is basically full of AC, and yes, now it's COVID, so they're following all the rules, COVID rules. So on the seat, there is a 2 person seated, but only 1 person allowed on one seat to maintain the social distancing. And restrictions also, number of people, it should not be crowded. So to maintaining the social distancing due to the COVID. And yes, this bus is AC, full of AC bus, and it's quite comfortable to travel, and it's quite faster also, because as I told you that this is following a special route. So due to the special route, there is no there is no traffic for this bus also, so it can move faster. So if you see in the bus, there is also the route, so you can see the route. So this bus, where it is going from where. And now I will depart from arrival at Tosari. So I am arriving at Tosari bus stop. So this is Tosari. So you can see this is Tosari bus stop, and I arrive here. And over here also you can see the screen indicating the bus which has arrived, and where from this gate where you can go. So you see this showing the gate number L will go till Monas, this bus, and also you can go to Kota to here. And this is the bus stop. So as some of the place which is in the central area of Jakarta, thus bus stops are quite good designed and quite nicely constructed. So this is here Tosari. So at Tosari I will take an exit. So here when I am taking exit, you can see there will be no charges, but here the gate is open and I get exit from here. And you can see people are doing recharge and also can buy the flash card for the transportation. So yeah, this is the transportation system in Jakarta. So this what I saw is only the busway. So it's a Transjakarta busway, and apart from the busway there is a MRT, that is a metro. So metro is also there, but metro is in not much area. See, only on some certain area is it only there till now, but still they are extending. And yeah, there is, apart from MRT, is one of the metro, and there is second LRT. So there are two companies are constructing their metro in Jakarta city, and MRT basically covering the city area, and LRT is covering the outside area from the city, so like a longer distance you can say. So yeah, so this is the transportation system in Jakarta, and it's quite convenient, quite cheaper. So as I told, in Transjakarta we just need to pay 3,500 and can travel whole Transjakarta, whole Jakarta you can travel by it. But in MRT the fee is different. And yes, so with this way I am ending this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.